Hi, I'm Eric Olsen. I'm the director of Central Coast Lean. I'm real excited that I'm going to be able to facilitate our next workshop, Leading Lean. This is actually the fifth in our workshop series and kind of a culminating event where we try to integrate a lot of the ideas from the other workshop and show leaders how they might apply these things in their organizations to develop a culture of continuous improvement. Some of the highlights of this, we're going to be working over the Toyota Kata, sort of a scientific questioning approach to implementing lean that's real people friendly. And then also just looking at some good change management principles, because at the end of the day, we're all interested in changing, hopefully changing for the better or in a lean direction. So I hope to see you all at this next workshop. Thank you.